Hello YouTube, my name is Jordan. Today we're going to be playing some pixel gun with my cousin. Hi. Really? That's all you got? Hi?
I'm sorry. Who's the one who doesn't want me in this video?
I do want you in the video. I want you doing it right.
Sorry.
Okay, we're going to be going over two basic weapons. Two basic new weapons.
You just passed me.
Oh, I was going for the mech now. Look, I was going for the mech. I know you're over here somewhere. Especially since you kind of told me where you were. A good spot for you. You're moving, aren't you? Oh, that's where you are. No, you're in one of these garages. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Take cover. Oh, there you are. I can't jump over.
You want me to get hit?
Get wrecked.
Alright, I'll wreck myself. Check yourself before you wreck myself. Jeez.
Boom.
Got stuck on the bus.
I know. This weapon doesn't seem very good right now, but if people are like standing kind of still and like not moving like she was doing, because she's trying to be annoying. Because we're doing a YouTube video, right? She's like, I don't want to die. I don't want to like embarrass myself. Like
I'll die for the embarrassment.
No, like at least play, but don't be like an idiot doing it. You gotta at least play. Let me guess, you're in the garage.
Yes.
Or you're in here. No, you're not in there. Thought you'd be in there. Please stop saying la.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you gonna shoot me?
I can't. You're too fast.
Boom! Mad scientist. How am I a mad scientist only killing her like 3 times? I know what you're thinking. This gun seems like crap, but with more people, it's going to be a lot easier to hit. One benefit you get is... Oh, there you are. Over there. Is that you can just hold down the button, which is nice. It might take you like a whole clip, but you like start out with so much ammo, and you're going to keep that. Score 4-0. That's sad, Kylie. Oh, whoa.
Grenade kill. Oh, that bounced. Oh no, I'm at 1 heart.
You're at 0 hearts.
You thought the same thing that I was thinking.
Dude, this gun looks so cool when it's moving, like the top to the bottom. Look at that. Look at that.
Bro!
Like, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, first round over. Now, after the acid cannon, wait for her to join with the team. Now we're going to use rocket crossbow.
I'm very weird and stupid.
No, you're not. Oh, gosh. The explosion.
Come out of me.
Let's stay in the building for a second. How are all these ashes, like, killing me? Boom!
Oh,
Are you kidding me? This gun sucks right now. I can't aim with you moving so much. There we go. You thought, but you didn't.
Because I don't have my grenade.
I only have 4 grenades left.
I have 0.
Just go do that daily spin thing or whatever. You get like 3 of them almost every time.
Where are you? Checking my back.
Looking for you.
Ooh.
I'm trying to kill you.
And I'm trying to be invisible.
But you're not.
I am.
You know that because you're like having like a total character. If you want to be invisible, you gotta have like that make your own costume thing or whatever, and just make the whole thing like one color. Like one good color would be like gray. That would be cool.
Dude,
Oh, I see you. I see you. Oh, you can hold down the button on this gun? Oh, that is so cool. I'm following you. I'm following you. No, where'd you go? There we go. Yeah. Yeah.
hit the quad.
Rocket crossbow. Wait, can I go up these wires? Oh, I can. I can, can't
Oh,
I?
now I know where you are.
Wait, I want to try something. Oh,
I know where you are.
yeah, because I like just shot a rocket.
Because you said you're at the water.
I know. Hello.
Yeah! Hit the quad! I don't know why I said that.
Oh, I'm trying to find the dang gun. Did that hit you at all?
Yeah.
Where are you? No, you just ran, didn't you?
Yeah.
You went upstairs, didn't you?
Maybe.
You did.
I did. Are you upstairs?
No, I'm trying to climb these wires.
Dude.
No! I almost got him.
Buddy.
Why does everybody say Gotti? Like, seriously, like, just got it. Just really, are people really that, like, weird?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Upstairs.
You're in a garage, aren't you? I hate this map.
I hate my guns.
Yeah, they're crap. You need a new... Oh, how did I just kill myself? Oh my gosh.
What?
Just like recklessly firing.
You walked right past me. And shot right past me.
Are you kidding me? You're in the pink building?
Maybe.
You-
walked right past me. Bro.
I thought I saw you out here, but then you moved, didn't you?
Yeah.
I saw you, and then I was like, no! Come on.
Fine, I'll come out. Jeez. Oh, la
Why are you going with melee? Like, really? That's your best option?
No.
I'll go melee. Oh, I killed you. I killed you at the very last moment.
I had like one.
Okay, YouTube, that's going to do it for today, and goodbye.
Good riddance.